Okay, here's my video of how much I'm making, how much money I'm making on YouTube, and making millions out of my YouTube channel. No, I'm lying. This is I got my channel is a small channel. As you can see how many subscribers I have, 69, and 100,000, over 100,000 views. And actually I just have some school videos. I don't have too many. I'm gonna start uploading videos of what I'm doing. I'm a mechanic, so I never film what I'm doing, but I see a lot of videos right here in YouTube showing how to do things, and I think I'm gonna start doing that, and hope I get more subscribers, because my YouTube channel, it's gonna be out this coming month on February of this year, 2018. So because I don't have over 1,000 subscribers and I have only 69, I need another 940 or something. So see how much money I'm making right now. See, we're going to analytics right here, and right here is loading. See how much money I'm doing right now. 66 cents per month. Or this is last 28 days. 66 cents. I got watch time, the minutes, the average duration for the views of my videos. I really don't have videos or to get your attention or something, and this is only in 28 days. So over the, let's see, last year, how much money I make, and I didn't get the check because they didn't have my address, but this is the amount, 968. I'm making this video today because today I get my code. Like I said, I never think about monetize my videos before and do stuff, but I think I'm gonna start doing it, just to let people know what I'm doing here at the shop, and things I'm doing at home. I like to do things sometimes, and so I'm gonna start doing it, uploading videos, see if my subscribers list grows. So actually, how much money lifetime? It's a lifetime. Oh, lifetime, I don't know what's lifetime is, but during lifetime of since I got my channel, since September 16, 2010, I opened the account with YouTube, and well, it pays me this amount. Like I said, and I don't have the check yet, but I'm gonna show it to you when I get it. I put my address and everything on the YouTube account. So right now, this is the check, my estimate revenue. So this is the check I'm gonna get for all these videos I have. See, and I'm gonna see if I can grow my subscribers, and I'm gonna start uploading things. See if I can make a little bit of money. No, actually just to inform people and teach them and the stuff I know here at the shop, and well, every cent helps too, but it's just for fun. That's why I upload my videos before, and just to let people and view the things I'm doing. Like I upload videos like when my daughters went to high school, and I record videos of the games, and when they play at the band, when they play at the mariachi, little stuff I do. And if you can visit my channel, okay, that helps to grow my audience. And I'll be here uploading videos. So thank you very much for watching, and you'll see some videos of my job, and other videos too. I'm gonna try to upload. I got a lot of videos I need to edit, because there are a lot of stuff I did and already did, and so, and most of them I don't talk too much, because well, I don't know how to talk, but at least I'm gonna try to learn, and then learn to talk, and I'm gonna see how explain the things I'm doing. And well, you'll see later. Okay, thank you very much.